Hello students. This is a very quick announcement video on this ongoing marathon session for May 21 attempt. Students, for the direct tax law this time also, apart from direct tax, all the remaining papers as well for group 2, you have again a marathon series at the platform of the Unacademy. So for SCMP, Sachin Gupta sir is taking, Mahesh Gaur sir would be taking for IDT in Hindi, and Tarun Raj sir will be taking in English IDT. I am taking for the direct tax part. So students, here for the direct tax part, I will be meeting you on 30th, that is immediately on the day of the costing paper. That night 9:30 will be the starting time, 9:30 to 11:30. The link of those lectures, students, the link of that lecture is given to you in the description box. You will say, sir, what is that topic that you are going to cover in 30th at night? So the topic that will be covered will be TDS and TCS. TDS, TCS and the advanced tax and interest is what primarily I am going to cover it up on that 30th, the night of 30th, 9:30 to 11:30. 31st, next day morning, assessment, penalties, settlement commission, AAR, appeals revision, all the critical areas or the areas which takes a lot of time, that is the topic which I am going to cover on 31st in the morning, because obviously you have an extra day off for paper number 6 or the elective paper as the case may be, depending upon old or new course. So I am going to take up the assessment, penalties and all, so that will be in the morning 7 o'clock. Plus at the same time I am also going to take one more session on the startup taxation and the various areas which is very confusing about the limits and all the areas. So that is also one of the lecture which I'm going to do it, students. The timing, obviously I will do it on 31st itself, but at what time I'm going to do it, that, students, I'm going to let you know on 30th night itself. So 30th night we will first meet for TDS and TCS, then 31st morning 7 to 9 we are going to meet up for the assessment, penalties, rectification, appeals, all the important areas, the time consuming areas, and thereafter, students, on 31st itself one more session on startup taxation and all the areas which is very confusing to the students. Towards the end it gets jumbled up. I'll just do that session with all of you. Last, students, what I will be doing is that those students who haven't, I will also create the link, one list, the link I'm going to create, students, of the revision batch which we have done just now for 7 days, and I will create the link of all that particular lectures that I have done, including the topic which I have covered over there. And those who have missed out on anything, they may refer those particular lecture on the day of 31st or 30th as the case may be, and I will put those particular this link in a PDF so that you can easily put a click and accordingly view that lecture. I'll put this particular link in my Telegram channel, so all the link of that 7 lectures which are being there, so those who want to just revise it and what are the content that I have covered, I'll just put that link so that of that 7 lectures plus this plus the lecture which we are going to do it, you have at one particular place all the material so that you can quickly run through and revise those particular topic. So presently now for the Jan 21 attempt, I would be meeting you for the 3 lectures. 2 lectures would be all the 3 lectures would be on 30th and 31st. 30th first at night, the link of that will be finding in the description box. 31st also you will find in the morning session. I'm going to have it 7 to 9. The link also of that 31st you will be finding it in description box. And again on 31st, the second session of last, that startup and the other confusing areas and all, that also I'll just put it over there. Also, students, in the last particular for November 20, I have done the capital gains revision, the AIF REIT revision. Already that exam day revision lecture file is also available with me, so I'm not going to again repeat it again and again. So it will be simply would be like a again a repetition. On the contrary, what I'm going to do is that I'm again going to give the link, even the common topics on international taxation, the theory of all the theoretical topics of the international taxation, even those theoretical topic, students, which is available for both or for only for the new course students. So the new course students who are having the extra theory topic, for that also I've done that lecture, one lecture. So that link also I'm going to share it in my Telegram channel. The Telegram channel would be CA Durgesh Singh. In that Telegram channel, I'll put the link of all the lectures so that you can go through them quickly. So now, without duplicating any lecture, the 3 lectures which I'm going to do it would be something which is quite new in terms of quite fresh. I'll expect all of you to be there, attend the live lecture so that parallelly, because you'll be a bit tired at that point of time. So therefore, attend those lectures live so that the things are very much fresh in your mind. You would be engaged, you will be participating, and let us try to crack this examination together. All the best to all of you students, those who are going to appear for the SCMP Group 2 first paper, and I'll see you immediately after that. 30th in the evening, 9:30 first, and thereafter followed up with on 31st in the morning, 7 o'clock. Okay, see you then students. Thank you very much.